Good day everyone, my name is Angelie Reyes, your science buddy, and for today's video I will explain about light. First, let's go back to the history. In 1690, Christian Huygens suggested that light was a wave in his book Treatise on Light. Then in 1740, Isaac Newton suggested that light was made of particles in his book Optics. But in 1801, Thomas Young performed the first double split experiment that proved that light is a wave. Other than double slit experiment, there's an also Poisson spot experiment which also tell that light is a wave. The Poisson spot tells that there is a light in the center of shadow. If we put a spherical object like this one and put a light, we can be able to see the light in the center. That's why we cannot see it in our own shadow. Well, because we are not sphere and most of light source is not consistent. And this light in the center of shadow play an important part that light is a wave. But we cannot conclude that light is totally a wave. In 1897, Heinrich Hertz discovered photoelectric effect that led to the discovery of electromagnetic wave. Since this time, electron was first identified, thus this phenomenon was not really understood. He also discovered that energy and frequency of the light is directly proportional and photoelectrons emitted instantaneously when light turned on. But this fact was impossible to explain with the current wave theory of light. In 1905, Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect that proposing that light is also a stream of particles called photons. When light hits a cable, the electrons jump from one to another. But a big contradiction was found because some wavelength of light no electron jumped. Then Albert Einstein formulated a new hypothesis that light can be either light and wave. When light shines on metal, electron can be made. This process is also called photoemission and the electron made called photoelectrons. The frequency of red light is less than the threshold frequency of this metal, so no electrons made. The green and blue light have greater than threshold frequency, so both can cause photoemission. Finally, in 1907, Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. And today, we know that light sometimes behave like a wave and sometimes behave like a particle. And it led us to another physics theory called quantum mechanics.